Move by Wesley, offering to trade queens, but 28 seconds to complete the rest of his... Wesley's not going to make it.
Yeah, I think he's going to lose on the clock, Wesley. If he doesn't lose on the board, he still needs to save it on the board, especially after that last move, White's rook getting active. Wesley's smiling. He knows it's going to be all over soon. 20 seconds and Magnus wins.
Wow, look at that. Magnus Carlsen in Armageddon finally beats Wesley So, and look at that reaction. That is huge. Wow, David, what do you take away from that?
I've never seen the world champion that emotional. That's how much relief he feels. I mean, all that energy for the whole last 9 days.